Making sense with outlines, a guide to traditional note-taking. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into a foundational skill that will elevate your academic research and writing: outlining. This traditional note-taking method helps in organizing your thoughts and streamlining the writing process. Let's discover how. Outlining is a method of structuring your ideas and information in a hierarchical format. Think of it as the skeleton of your research paper or project. It helps in 1. Organizing main ideas and supporting details. 2. Visualizing the flow of your paper. 3. Keeping track of your research sources. When you create an outline, you're not just making a list. You're setting up a clear path for your research or writing. Here are some key advantages. 1. Clarity. Outlining breaks down complex ideas into manageable sections. 2. Cohesiveness. It ensures a logical flow from one point to another. 3. Efficiency. Outlining can significantly cut down writing time. With a clear map, you know exactly where you're heading. Creating an outline is a systematic process. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Identify your main topics. These will be your primary headings. 2. Break down each topic. Determine the subtopics or ideas that fall under each main topic. These become your subheadings. 3. Use consistent notation. Whether it's Roman numerals, letters, or numbers, pick a style and stick to it. 4. Be flexible. As you dive deeper into your research, be ready to adjust your outline. Sometimes, new ideas emerge, or some points become less relevant. Example: I. Main topic A. Subtopic 1. 1. Detail A. 2. Detail B. B. Subtopic 2. 2. Next main topic A. Subtopic 1. B. Subtopic 2. 1. Start early. Don't wait until you're deep into your research. Start your outline as soon as you have a basic idea of your topic. 2. Revise often. An outline is not set in stone. Adjust it as needed to fit the evolving nature of your research. 3. Stay concise. An outline is not the place for lengthy details. Use short phrases or keywords. 4. Collaborate. If working in a group, share your outline. Different perspectives can help in refining it further. Outlining is more than just a step in the academic writing process. It's a powerful tool that brings order to chaos, clarity to confusion, and makes the journey of research and writing smoother. We hope this video sheds light on the importance of outlining and equips you with the skills to master it. Happy outlining, and see you in the next lesson.